In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Odoo version. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue, looking to upgrade, or simply curious, knowing your version of Odoo is a helpful piece of information. Let's dive right in and guide you through this simple process. First, you'll need to log in to your Odoo account. Make sure you have your username and password at hand, and navigate to the Odoo login page. Once you've successfully entered your credentials, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Now from here, we want to locate the Settings app. You can usually find it among the various application icons available on your Odoo dashboard. Once you've identified and clicked on the Settings app, you'll be directed to the Settings page. This page is the central hub for all the configurations and adjustments you might need to make within your Odoo environment. It might seem extensive at first glance, but don't worry, we're going straight to the part that matters most for today's task. You're now going to scroll down to the bottom of the Settings page. Odoo's interface is well organized and somewhat intuitive, so as you scroll, you might notice many different sections. Feel free to make mental notes of any areas that might be of interest for future reference. However, for our purpose now, simply continue scrolling until you reach the very bottom of the page. Once you're there, look closely and you should see a section that displays the version information. This part is subtle and easy to overlook, so keep your eyes peeled. Here, you'll find a line of text that tells you exactly what version of Odoo you are running. It might look something like Odoo 18.0, 17.0, 16.0, or any other specific version number that's relevant to the version you are using. Knowing your Odoo version is essential for many reasons. It helps you verify compatibility with any modules you may want to add, ensure your system is up to date with the latest features and patches, and assist with troubleshooting when contacting support or community forums. And that's it. You now know how to easily find your Odoo version. This simple piece of information can be incredibly useful for effectively managing your system and ensuring it functions smoothly. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials if you enjoyed the content. Have an amazing day.